Tempus AI's subsidiary, Ambry Genetics, has announced the publication of a peer-reviewed study in the Journal of the National Comprehensive Cancer Network, validating the accuracy of its Ambry Care program for hereditary cancer risk assessment. The study confirmed that the CARE program interprets NCCN clinical practice guidelines in oncology with a 99.5% accuracy, reinforcing its effectiveness as a digital risk assessment tool for identifying patients who could benefit from hereditary cancer-focused genetic testing and personalized care. The CARE program streamlines the hereditary cancer risk assessment process, addressing the complexity and frequent updates of NCCN guidelines. About 5% of individuals carry a mutation in a cancer predisposition gene without being aware of it, and the CARE program helps identify these individuals. Ambry Genetics translates scientific research into clinically actionable test results from an understanding of the human genome and the biology behind genetic disease. The study's findings highlight the potential of the CARE program to improve hereditary cancer risk assessment and personalized care. By providing accurate and reliable risk assessments, the CARE program can help healthcare providers identify patients who may benefit from genetic testing and targeted interventions. The accuracy and reliability of the CARE program make it a valuable tool for healthcare providers and patients. As the company continues to develop and refine its technology, it may have the potential to make a significant impact on the field of genetic testing and personalized medicine. On the financial side, Tempus AI intends to offer a $400 million aggregate principal amount of convertible senior notes due in 2030 in a private placement to qualified institutional buyers. They also intend to grant the initial purchasers of the notes an over-allotment option to purchase up to an additional $60 million aggregate principal amount of notes. The notes will be general unsecured obligations of Tempus, accruing interest payable semi-annually in arrears, and will mature on July 15, 2030, unless earlier converted, redeemed, or repurchased. Upon conversion, Tempus will pay or deliver cash, shares of Class A common stock, or a combination of both at its election. Tempus expects to use the net proceeds from the offering to repay the $274.7 million principal amount of its outstanding senior secured term loans, including immediately paying off the $275 million 2027 term loan, reducing interest expense and enhancing financial flexibility. A portion of the proceeds will also be used to pay for capped call transactions to reduce potential dilution. Additional proceeds will be deployed for general corporate purposes, including acquisitions or strategic investments in complementary businesses or technologies, working capital, operating expenses, capital expenditures, or repayment of additional indebtedness. The capped call transactions are expected to reduce the potential dilution to the Class A common stock upon any conversion of notes or offset any cash payments Tempus is required to make in excess of the principal amount of converted notes. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.